Great. Let us start with our presentation. Here it is. In the last class, we have discussed about what is HR cycle. So HR cycle is the employee life cycle. It refers to the stages of an employee, his time in a particular organization, and the shifting roles of HR functions played in each of those stages. Then we have seen that any employee, when he enters into an organization, he goes through several levels. These are also called as stages. So if he's good, if he's performing well, he gets promoted to the next level, and he may join as an executive, and he may end up working as a CEO of that organization. Now, all the employees may not be able to climb this corporate ladder, but this ladder is there for everyone. Everyone gets an opportunity and chance to get promoted, to perform well in the organization. Then we have seen that there are 8 elements to HR cycle. First one is job description. In job description, the roles and responsibilities of that employee are written. Second phase is, once the roles and responsibilities are clear, we call people for interview. So that is called as recruitment process or selection process. Once the appropriate and right candidate is selected, then he is placed in a particular department at a particular designation. Organization design refers to the structure of our organization, like what will be the levels and how many people will be working in particular team and what will be the structure of our organization. Point number 4 is skill assessment. What happens in skill assessment is, on a regular basis, with certain frequency, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 5 years, depending upon the organization in which a person is working, skill assessment is done. Like we have taken example of pilots. For pilots, skill assessment is done on a very frequent basis, maybe within 6 months, maybe within 1 year. They have to undergo several tests just to ensure that their skills are relevant, the skills are good to perform that task. Now, point number 5 is training and education. If there is some gap in the skills, if there is some training required, the organization will arrange for training and development activities. Those could be educational, those could be hands-on experience, it could be on-the-job training. So there are several types of training. After that, 6th point was performance management. Once the employee is given training, everything, his appraisal is done. The performance of that employee is reflected. On that basis, the compensation and reward, the incentives, bonus, promotion, everything is planned on that. So this is entirely called as career planning and career development. I hope it is clear with you all. Just type in the chat section clear. That was a quick revision. Just type clear in the chat section. Great. Karthi says clear, sir. Rahul says clear, sir. Sakti says clear. Thank you. Amit says clear, sir. Great. Now today our topic is, we are going to talk about the tools and techniques of HRM. Like what are the tools used by HR for managing the entire show. So there are 6 tools, as you can see. The first one is HRMS, or it is also known as HRIS. What is HRMS? HRMS is Human Resource Management System. HRIS is Human Resource Information System. How many of you know about MIS? MIS is Management Information System. Type MIS in the chat section. All of you type MIS in the chat section. Great. Karthi knows about MIS. Harish knows about MIS. All of you remaining students, Rahul says MIS, sir. That means Management Information System. Just like MIS, there is HIRS, that is Human Resource Information System. Like how many employees are there in the organization? What are their credentials? What are their qualifications? And for how long they are working in our organization? If they have done something exceptionally well, maybe, for example, uh, some employee might have received some award, some employee might have received some grants from government for research and development activities, some employee may be having patent in his name, then one of the employee could be a national level singer or a cricket player or football player, he may be into sports. So this kind of information is kept in HIRS. Another information is your administrative, like for how many days you were present in the organization. For example, in the month of August, I have to give you salary of August paid in September, correct? So how many days you were present, how many days you took leave, then what was the time when you were reporting, were you late in reporting? All this entire record is kept. How many of you have seen that employees go and do biometric attendance in our university? If you have seen it, just type BIO. BIO means, actually it means bring it on, but here it means biometric attendance. Just type BIO in the chat section. All of you type BIO. BIO, generally we mean BIO is bring it on, but today it means biometric attendance. Got it. So Hamid says BIO, Karthi says BIO, Harish says BIO. Great. That means you have observed. So what is that attendance system? Attendance, once we punch in, it takes our in time, login time, logout time. So this way, there is a system, there is a software which keeps all the record. Shall I show you our software, our university software? Just type yes if you want to see it. Great, great. I'll show you. So we have done a tie-up with Tata Consulting Services, TCS Ion. Most of you are, almost I think all of you are using it as students also. There's some trouble, I think. Okay, so this is our HRIS system. Fine. This is customized for our university. If you go here, then these are the areas. Now, this is what I can see as an employee. Okay. As an HR, they get more features to view. So I can go, but these are the main functions like digital campus, e-forms, finance accounting, HRMS solutions, Iron web installer, then payroll solution. If there is something related to salary, payroll, attendance, and all, it will be shown here. Procurement report, self service. So I'll go to HRMS. HRMS means HR management system. Now it will give me so many things here. What are employee engagement plans? What are employee management plans, employee benefits, leave and attendance, employee movement, ILAN. Got it? So this is called as HRIS or HRMS. I'll see leave and attendance here. Just to give you a glimpse of. So I can go here. If I have to apply for a leave, I can go and apply. But I think you have understood the picture. Is it? Have you understood? Just type yes, sir, in the chat section. Just type yes. Great. Okay. By the way, I think today our class was till 11:40, right? So we'll continue our lecture in our next class, maybe on Monday. So thank you very much, all of you. And as a ritual, rate our class on a scale of 0 to 10. By the way, today our video quality was very good, and today I am recording the meeting also. So you can rate our class accordingly. Hamid says 10. Thank you, Hamid. Ajmal says, how much? Is it 1 lakh? Great. Thank you, Ajmal. Harish says 9.5. Sakti says 100. Raghav says 10. Rahul says 10, sir. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much. I'll just give you attendance link. I'll give you attendance link. You can. Here is your attendance link coming your way. All of you kindly give your attendance in this link. And all of you prepare well for your CAT 1 examination. Soon I'll give you some reading material for CAT 1. Thank you so much, Harish. You also take care. All of you take care. God bless you all. Welcome, Ajmal. You are welcome, Siva. You're welcome, Sheikh Mushir.